Alright guys, we're over at the Guinness Brewery temporarily. I was just picking up something here and I noticed, check out this Rivian fully electric R1T. Seen the reviews on those and they're pretty good. A lot of people were really happy with them, so maybe I'll upgrade in the future, get a fully electric pickup truck. Either that or the Cybertruck would be better than my Ridgeline. What do you think? Anyway, we were going to drop off these 2 steel wheel tires that I found at the recycling facility. I unfortunately misunderstood. It said $2 per wheel if the tire's on it, but that was for aluminum wheels, not for steel. They said steel is worthless unless I cut these tires off. So yeah, I've had these in the back of my truck since I went to Colorado to go snowboarding, and they're worthless unless I cut these tires off, and you'll have to like saw through the bead. So that ain't gonna work because I don't have a way to do that. So we'll have to leave these with our next pickup. Anyway, yeah, I might go clean up a little bit. It's really windy. It's not too cold, but it's super breezy out. Some big gusts. So I saw a bunch of trash on the way here, but maybe I'll go clean up for a little bit somewhere. But anyway, Guinness Brewery in Maryland, Relay, Maryland. I guess this area is called Relay, near Elkridge. Arbutus is that way, Halethorpe, Arbutus, I think. But this used to be the old Seagram's distillery, and now it's the Guinness Brewery. I think the only one in the country. So they got a lot of cool stuff in there. But they do not brew Guinness Stout or Extra Stout or any of that stuff here. They brew that in Ireland and Dublin. They do brew the Guinness Blonde and some others here, but this is like experimental beers and craft beers and stuff, or temporary experimental beers that are like a limited run. All right, let's go find some trash. All right, just a quick stop on Furnace Ave. Saw a little bit of trash here. I pulled over this little sewer master meter. Pull off, and we'll just do a little bit of a pickup around here from the stuff that people chuck out of their car windows. Up there's the 3-way where we're always stopping and going up Ridge Road. But yeah, we'll get a little bit cleaned up here. It's just me today. Check this out, guys. Someone was kind enough to leave a freaking diaper. You gotta wonder who throws diapers out of the window. Let me set this up here. Yeah, so that all these are good for weighing your bags down when it's windy. Nasty. And if you ever wondered, let's see, where is it? Yeah, here we go. I guess this is your, how do your mirrors stay defrosted? Side mirror, or heating element. All this foam insulation stuff is buried under the vine brush over there. Let's dump this. Oh yeah, we found some oil. It's empty, but yeah, a lot of that. All right, there's one bucket. Also found a penny. So we'll just move up the road a little bit. That's what happens in the wind. Blows your stuff everywhere. I'll go get it. Let's go grab that lunch container before it gets run over. Sure to piss off a lot of drivers, most likely, but hey, I don't care. Now I kind of want to pull up because this really big box truck went that way, and I don't think you can make that bridge. So kind of want to see what happens. So I'm gonna mosey up there just to see what happens that way, and just to see if there's some trash. So I'll leave the camera on top for this. Sure enough, he can't make it. Can he? Holy crap. He's going, oh, he's doing a U-turn. He can't make it. This is entertaining. I guess I'll clean up around here. He's trying to do a 3-point turn. He's so screwed. Huh. Send a picture to John and company. Where is the phone? It's just funny to me. There's signs, but the dude ignored them. So this is annoying. I keep finding these little plastic Svedka bottles. Dozens on this road. Dozens and dozens. That's a bummer. I was getting $2 per. Turns out I was wrong. Not $2 per. Start the next bag. Somebody comes around this corner and blasts us. All right, we'll walk down here a little bit, see what we can find. Maybe I'll put the camera on this vine here. It's a little trick for folks if you want to do a little time lapse. Hey, look at that sign. Didn't even notice it. It's probably buried. Yeah, I'm getting that out of there. Need a shovel. But if you want to do a time lapse and leave your camera, you know, find one of these vines, just clamp it to it. So we'll do that now. Just rotate the handle. Make sure no cars are seeing you. And there you go. Oop, there we go. So now it's set up. All right, we'll turn on time lapse. All right, let's dump this bucket. Stay sign. It's getting a little warm out, so I'm gonna have to take a layer off. Humidor. Alright, found some bolts up there. Humidor. Nice. Up there was also a bunch of these bolts that, I guess from the guardrail, they left these 4 bolts and then their counterpart nuts behind. Alright, let's go down there and take a look and see what else we got. Let me just shed a layer, I think. It's getting warm. Alright, t-shirt layer is shed. Let's walk down here and see what we got. There's some more trash by the river. Probably pick up these cans on the way back, so that way they're up top. Not a ton, but a few cans here I've left out. Not get run over. That's probably the most important thing. Don't get run over by Impatient drivers that zoom on this road. Oh look, I missed this can here. Come back to that. Catch the sparkle of plastic when you're walking. Catch it in the sun on the beach. Sometimes it's like, looks like a shell. Alright, so leave these cans there. Come back for these cans. Yeah, let's see. There was some trash here that I tossed up. It's not awesome. Ow, sticky bush. Already finding more of those bolts. One, two, three bolts. Usually they come in matched pairs. But it could be buried. Hard to see. Alright, just a little bit more. Let's head back up to the car, see what time we got. Pick up the rest of our cans on the way. Ooh, what's that? Nice bottle. Here we go. Oh, damn. It's got snagged by that vine and then shattered. Yeah, some cars are bullies, man. They like drive at you like they're gonna hit you. I don't get that. This stolen purse, probably. Yep, that's what that is. You know what? We're just gonna fill this with stuff. Don't look. Don't look, damn it. Shit, I looked. Don't look anymore. Oh, I looked again. Shoot. Alright, now we're not looking anymore. We're walking back to the truck without looking at anything. Birdbox. Don't look. Birdbox. Cleaned up down to the bridge. Grab my can crate. All right, do we want to go any further? I don't know. I'm tired, but got 2 bags. A little bit of cans, tiny bit. So a couple more bolts. I'll send back there. We might walk up a little bit that way. Let's see what time it is, and we can just get a quick little count of what's up this way. All right, seems that my battery ran out, but we're about done, I think, for now. We got 2 bags, 2 tires, and this pipe thing, conduit for Verizon fiber, I guess, buried fiber. They come in and do. They just leave all their trash when they're done. So not too bad. Let me throw my battery on the charger. White is not yet charging, but there it is. So let's go up and pick up that pile. There's a piece of metal up there we'll go grab, and then we'll go grab some of these